How to permanently delete items from recently deleted section in CapCut. If you want to free up space or clear out old drafts for good, this one's for you. Let's get started. Launch the CapCut app and head to the home screen where you can see all your projects. Here you can see my projects right here. Now click on this trash right here where you can see your recently deleted projects. These are still taking up space until you clear them completely. Click on one or more drafts like this to remove. Select it like this. Once you select it, click on this delete. As you can see, it says it will be deleted permanently and can't be restored. This step cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to delete those files before confirming. Once you have confirmed it, click on delete. And that's it. You have now cleared out your recently deleted folder and freed up some valuable space. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more editing tips. Thank you for watching.